hit join with a friend? I am as well. Connecting with your friend, waiting for host to select the puzzle image.
Nice. I got the images going. I'm just gonna pick this first one.
Okay. And then it takes a second to generate the puzzles pieces.
So pieces going. Wow. Alright, so I'm gonna pick
Okay.
8 pieces
Pick the bottom left piece.
and hide this thing so it's easy to see.
Ooh, look at that. It's moving around with the hand.
Leave it there, bring this second one, gonna connect this.
Yay.
There you go.
And I'll take the pieces above it and connect them. Now why don't you take the connection I just made, the 2 on top, and put them to the 2 on the bottom.
Yeah, remember to get the 2 pieces, move the 2 pieces down, so touch the 2 pieces you're gonna connect it with, because it's not connecting on my end.
Oh, okay. That's the...
So right now it's connected. So you try to touch it, move it, and then connect it.
Okay.
That'll work.
See, I just saw you connect those 2. So I'll take these 2, and I'm going to connect it to the ones that we made before. Now I got 4 pieces in the bottom.
Alright, now it did not connect.
That's what we're still working on.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to move the 2...
Yeah, alright, so that should be enough.
Stop recording.